Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For those who have been following this vlog, you may have come across my post about installation of these three solar lights, which I got from Lazada. So that was around 2022. Now that it's year 2025, I went back to the place where I installed these three solar lights, and even though the place have changed a bit, the owner of the house did not remove those three solar street lights, and they're still here. Now if you look at the overlay videos on the top left, that was the footage in 2022. Now the larger video is the current or the recent one. This wall solar light that I installed on this part of this wall is still charging. So tonight we're gonna see if this will still light up. If we go to the back of the house where I installed another of this solar street light, back in 2022 we did not find any problem with this solar street light, that it is actually providing light from 6 p.m. down to 6 a.m. As we are inspecting this, I noticed that after 3 years we can see the formation of rust on the nuts and bolt, but the solar panel and the charging system is still working. As you can see, it is now fully charged and it's not yet 3 p.m. Now if you move along and check the one that I installed in front of the house, it is still working properly, although I'm not sure if the light has degraded over those years. But if you notice, it's still bright, and I was actually expecting its life to be shorter than that, like 2 years, but here we are, happy to see that in 2025 all of these three solar street lights are still lighting up during the night. If you notice the overlay video, there are bushes and plants during that year when I installed this, but in 2025 those plants are already gone. Well, maybe the owner has other plans for this yard, that they remove the plants around this area. Yet you can still see that the solar lights are still functioning properly, as one might expect. Of all the three solar lights, this is the one that I'm a bit skeptical. I thought this wouldn't last because this is the cheapest among the three, and I did not expect its life expectancy to be this long. But surprises, I guess it just didn't want to be left behind by the other two streetlights. This solar street light at the back was, I think, the most relevant among the three, because in the area around the front of the house there are actually street lights from the subdivision, and that one that I installed in the front is just an addendum. I kind of noticed that at the back side, that yard at the back, some of the neighbors' cat, just go there and conglomerate or do some mix up in there. I just don't want them to be in the dark when they go there and lay down. So just give them some lights during the night, and I think those cats will enjoy it. And I actually see them sleeping there during daytime as well. But anyway, going back to the topic, now that it's 2025 and these solar lights are already in their third year. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.